Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share my hair care routine. So my family members and friends are requesting me to do a hair care video. So ignore my mess. This is how I look in the mornings. The hair done. So today I'm gonna show you my secret. This is an organic brand which is booming on social media. A lot of celebrities, influencers talking about secret hair oil. I thought I should get some secret hair oil for myself. So finally I got my hands on secret hair oils. So they have quite good range of hair care products, and this is a black charm hair oil. So their hair oils are 100% organic. Secret Hair Oils have started their brand newly, but they got some recognition and good response to their oils and hair care products. They have hair oils, hair shampoos and hair combs, which are natural hair combs, neem hair combs. So all their products are of highest quality with pure ingredients. You can smell coconut, natural coconut smell. I have started loving these secret hair oils because they are free from animal testing, because I have pets. So their hair oils and shampoos and their products are free from animal testing and artificial smell, artificial color and artificial fragrance, and they are free from preservatives also. So this is completely a natural product. All I can say is this is completely a natural, 100% natural hair oil. I just say you should give it a try, because I've been using them 4 to 5 weeks I guess, and I'm so happy with this, because I'll not just stop with this bottle. I'll keep on using this hair oil. So this is black charm. This is a black charm. So it is a combination of pure coconut oil and some hand-picked herbs. I have a big dandruff problem, so that was the reason why I have chose black charm. I guess hair fall is a common problem for every single person. So why I have chose this secret black charm is because black charm hair oil from Secret is usually targeted to fight with hair loss. This is a certified organic brand marked as 100% natural and hand pressed oil, combines with the 9 rare ingredients in a easy to use bottle. So all I use to my hair is this too, and I use this Clinic Plus shampoo. I use this, I guess I'm using this from when I was 2 years old. From then I don't even remember any other hair shampoo brand.
Some products from our life will never get replaced, and my shampoo is also one of them.
So it's been 16 years I guess I'm using this only Clinic Plus hair oil. Clinic Plus shampoo, and I'm been using this from 4 years I guess, 4 to 3 years I guess. Devon Serum, and I'm in love with this. So I did my hair bath 2 days before. So now I'm gonna apply this secret hair oil. As this is a 100% organic, so you should store them in cool places. Try to store them in refrigerator every time after you use. So firstly I start with the hair oil, and I'll just massage it. Whenever I apply my hair, I'll mostly sleep for 1 day. So maximum I will leave for 3 or 2 days, but minimum I will leave it for 1 day. So after oiling my hair, I'll just leave it for 1 day. Monthly once I use this hair mask. So I just saved it a small amount to just show you guys. This is a paste of hibiscus, neem and curry leaves. So I use this hair mask at least once a month. This is a natural paste. So firstly I use hair oil to just as a foundation. So it helps you for nourishment and it acts like a foundation for your hair mask. Firstly, I'll take small amount of hair oil and I'll just massage it all over the scalp. After that, after applying hair oil, you just need to use this hair mask. Not you just, I use it as a hair mask and I'll leave it for at least 1 hour. And then wash it off with mild hair shampoo, and it works. So this is my hair fall. Hair fall is a common problem for everyone, but you have to normalize your hair fall also. So stop stressing about everything so much.
There is a small story. When I was a kid, everyone used to say me was so dark, you're so dark. I used to think like being dark is ugly. No, it's completely wrong. You have to accept your own flaws. Do not stress so much about body shape, skin tone, hair fall. You have to normalize. You have to accept everything, every single problem. You have to accept your own self. So the day you start accepting yourself, no one must know about yourself. So be confident and accept everything. Fall in love with your flaws. So no one gonna give a about yourself. I see a lot of people even stress about the eyebrow shape of their eyebrows. And this everything. So everyone is beautiful in their own way. So stop stressing about everything in your life.
I'll show you my hair after the hair wash tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. It's the next morning, so I just did my hair wash now, and I don't use any hair dryer. I just leave it and I'll let it dry on its own. So before it completely dry, I'll use this leave-on. Sometimes when I don't use oil, I'll use this oil replacement, and I'll use this leave-on serum regularly to control my frizz. And that's it. I'll show you my hair after it becomes dry. My hair is dry now, so 2 to 3 drops of leave-on serum. You have to use it lightly. If you use it more than 3 or 4 drops, your hair will become oily and your hair looks oily. You may have chances of hair fall. So that's it. This is it all about my hair care routine with Secret Hair Oil. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next amazing video. Until then, bye.